Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting to the place where Widget's live. Swipe right on your home or lock screen to open Today View, or long press the home screen to enter jiggle mode. Once done, tap the plus button in the top left to open the widget gallery. This shows all available widgets including stocks. You do this because the gallery is where you add, replace, or resize a widget, and it saves you time compared to opening the app each time. Now choose the Stocks widget from the gallery and pick the size that fits your layout, small, medium, or large, because each shows different detail levels. Tap Add Widget and then long press the Place Stocks widget to reveal Edit Widget. You do this so you can change which symbols appear and whether performance is shown as percentage or absolute change. Make sure to select the right watch list and reorder tickers. These settings control what you'll immediately see on your home screen. Finish by tapping Done to exit jiggle mode and lock in your changes. This ensures the widget refreshes using current preferences. If the widget doesn't update or won't accept edits, restart your iPhone and check for an iOS update. These steps resolve most sync bugs. Also make sure the Stocks app has internet access and your watch list contains valid tickers. If prices remain stale, open Stocks to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.